March 1, 2026 Afternoon Session Financial News Summary, Eastern Time, covering 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Welcome to your market update. Before we begin, please subscribe for daily financial insights and market analysis. News 1, ECB holds rates, revises 2026 growth outlook lower. The European Central Bank kept its deposit facility rate at 3.25% but cut its 2026 Eurozone GDP growth forecast to 1.2% from 1.5%. The euro fell 0.5% to 1.0720 against the dollar as President Lagarde emphasized data dependency. News 2, U.S. core PCE inflation matches forecast at 2.8%. The Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, the core PCE price index, rose 2.8% year-over-year in January, aligning with consensus. The 10-year Treasury yield dipped 3 basis points to 4.18% on relief. News 3, oil prices surge 4.2% on OPEC Plus extension signals. Brent crude jumped to $84.50 per barrel after sources indicated OPEC Plus is considering extending voluntary output cuts into Q2 2026. Energy stocks led the S&P 500, up 1.8%. News 4, Nikkei 225 closes down 1.5% on stronger yen. Japan's benchmark index fell to 38,200 as the US dollar to Japanese yen dropped 0.9% to 147.50 following dovish Fed signals and ahead of key US data. Automaker and tech shares were the biggest decliners. News 5, US construction spending unexpectedly falls 0.6%, January construction spending declined versus an expected 0.2% gain, driven by a sharp drop in non-residential activity. The data tempered earlier gains in U.S. equity futures. News 6, gold hits one-month high amid dollar weakness. Spot gold rose 1.1% to $2,085 per ounce, benefiting from the softer dollar and lower bond yields following the inline PCE data, marking its best weekly performance since January. News 7, Salesforce shares drop 7% post-earnings on weak guidance. The cloud giant beat Q4 estimates but provided Q1 revenue guidance of $9.12 billion to $9.17 billion, below the $9.25 billion analyst consensus, citing elongated sales cycles in certain segments. That concludes today's financial news summary. Stay tuned for market updates and have a profitable day ahead.